What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and we have some awesome new Hot Wheels cars to talk about, such as the Stars and Stripes series, some new 5-packs, and some Matchbox models, so let's get into it. So the 50th anniversary Stars and Stripes series features a total of 10 cars, 9 of them spelling out the word Hot Wheels, which is really cool, and the 10th car has the 50 logo on the card art. This set is loaded, of course, with all classic American muscle cars, which will make this a hot series for collectors, and they've been showing up in different stores all around the world. Let's take a closer look at them, starting with HOT50. On the left, letter H is a white Chevrolet El Camino, letter O is a red Chevrolet C10 Truck, and T is a blue Chevy Nova. My favorite is on the right, and it's the card with the 50th anniversary logo, the red 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Moving on to WH in one of the E's, the W car is a blue custom 56 Ford truck, letter H is a white 1967 Pontiac GTO convertible, and this E is a blue 69 Chevrolet Corvette. Now the second letter E is a black 69 Dodge Charger, and the letter L is a 69 Dodge Cornet Super Bee. The last card art to spell out Hot Wheels is letter S, and the car in that package is the 1977 Pontiac Firebird. The back of these packages also show the entire series and have a little checklist near the bottom so you can keep track of all the models you're looking for. I love the look of these cars, and here's the black Dodge Charger out of the box, which is definitely a sweet muscle machine. I'm sure we'll be seeing even more photos of these cars soon, but check out this blue Chevy Nova. Now this has to be one of my favorites, the really nice bright red 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. You might notice the wheels on this stunning Corvette, but this was an early photo and it has regular plastic wheels just like the others. Here's the white Chevrolet El Camino, which is looking fire with the blue and red flames across the vehicle. And our last photo of these Stars and Stripes cars is the red Chevrolet C10 Truck, once again with the wrong set of wheels. There's a new HW Hot Trucks 5-pack to look out for, and there's some pretty nice new colors of some great trucks to collect. This set includes a Volkswagen Caddy, a custom 56 Ford truck, the Sandblaster, a 67 Chevy C10, and a Chevy Silverado. Another incredible new 2018 5-pack is the HW Exotic set, which brings back some of our favorite Hot Wheels supercars in all new colors. It includes a Jaguar XJ220, a McLaren F1 GTR, an Aston Martin DBS, a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and Renault Sport RS01. Stores should be getting a display for the new 50th anniversary 5-car Originals collection, which is debuting this month of May. The first Hot Wheels cars launched in May of 1968, so these 5 classic remakes are a great way to celebrate the anniversary of a special toy brand. A couple recolors of the newest Lamborghini Hot Wheels have been spotted, starting here with a blue Aventador Miura homage, and the Lamborghini Countach pace car is coming in a white variation with a hot red interior. The Matchbox F-Case cars are hitting store shelves, and the case includes a 70 Datsun 510 Rally, a 2015 Subaru WRX STI police car, a silver Mazda CX-5 SUV, a gray 2015 Cadillac Escalade, the Oshkosh Defense MATV, a MBX ambulance rescue vehicle, the tank Blockade Buster, and the construction vehicle Drill Digger. So that is all of our brand new Hot Wheels and Matchbox car news for today. Be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know which new car is your favorite, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.